Able Rents here, setting up all of the tents. Today's the day. Today is the day. It's cold, but we are getting everything set up. This is the color scheme of the event. When it turns to night, these will glow. I will also have some uplighting across the back of the tent to bring the whole color scheme together. And then in terms of the food vendors, the signs are set. Our wonderful volunteers have been steaming and de-wrinkling some of these linens because they were really wrinkly. It was more affordable to buy them than to rent them. We still need to set up all these tables and chairs because it rained, so we want. The stage is getting set. I will have a couple pop-up banners to frame the sides of the stage. Okay, this is gonna be Band and Whiskey Lounge. Sorry. Just over 2 hours before event start time. Really time to hustle now. The wind's still a problem, but it is what it is. And they are working on the paper lanterns. Wish we would have started much earlier with this, but the wind's been a problem. And even if we get minimal up, it's gonna look really cool later anyway.
What time it is. Summer dreams gone and left me here. All right, good evening. Welcome to Nature Night. Thank you all for being here. The great food partners that we have, wonderful music. We have more coming up with the next band, and we have another one coming up tonight later on. So please stick around. We'll have all of that. We have different games going on. If you see people with butterflies, illuminated butterflies, they are for sale. And if you have a butterfly with a number on the back, you're eligible for prizes throughout the year.
Sorry.
Superman.